Now we come to the end of this crash course. I know it was very fast, but my intention here was to allow you to understand briefly what is a risk and the 7 techniques that you can use in your daily life, you can use now, to help you to identify better the risks of your project, of your operation, of your life. So you can do this in a with very simple tools. There is nothing required but a piece of paper, a pen, and if you want, a post-it note. So I hope you found this useful. I use this all the time, so I wanted to share this with you. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.